All right, welcome back, guys. Okay, we are here to solve equations, okay? Now, I have some few examples for you here that will help us master this, okay? We have e plus 7. The whole of that is dividing by 3. Subtract 4 is equal to 1, okay? Now, two methods to do this, but I always prefer to do something on the left and do the same thing on the right. So when I look at this, remember we are isolating to have e on its own. I will be tempted first time to plus 4 on the left and plus 4 on the right. I do that just to cancel this to 0, making it simple for me to solve the equation, okay? Once you isolate and try to have e on its own, then you know you're close to solving the equation. So we have e plus 7 divided by 3, that is cancelled out. 1 plus 4 gives us what? 5. Then once you have that, you're going to times by 3 on the left, times by 3 on the right. You can comfortably do this because e plus 7 is together. They are dividing 3. Okay? So please don't be tempted to multiply 3 by e and then 3 by 7. No, you're multiplying you're multiplying that whole expression by 3 on the left and on the right. This cancels out. We have e plus 7 is equal to 5 times 3, which is 15. Okay, then now here you should be knowing what to do here by now if you've been watching my videos. So minus 7 on the left, minus 7 on the right. That cancels out. So we have e is equal to what? 8. Okay, that should be okay. I'll show you the other method I talked about. E plus 7 divided by 3 minus 4 is equal to 1 is our equation. The other method I talked about is by, remember, e plus 7 are together, okay, because they are dividing by 3. So multiply every term by 3, by 3, by 3. This is what I just did with a blue pen. Times 3, times 3, times 3. When you multiply this by 3, you're multiplying e plus 7 by 3. This cancels out because this is in the denominator, this is in the numerator. When they are the same and we are multiplying, it cancels out. So we are left with e plus 7 minus 4 times 3 is 12 is equal to 1 times 3 is 3. Then we can first solve here 7 minus 12. Or we can even first plus 12 plus 12. Plus 12 on the left, plus 12 on the right. We can still do that. This one cancels to 0. We have e plus 7 is equal to 3 plus 12 is what? Is 15. Then we have minus 7 on the left, minus 7 on the right. That cancels out. We have e is equal to what? 8. So that is the same what? The same solution. It's the same answer, so that is fine. So those are two methods. It's all up to you to choose what you prefer to use. I hope that's clear. I'll get to the next example that we have. Which one should I do? Yeah, I will do one that has a negative number such that you don't, in case you get it. We have 5i divided by 2. Please, the letters shouldn't confuse you. Some students, when they see a different letter, they are so used to X, then they imagine this is complicated, but there's nothing complicated to this. So I'll show you one method to do this. Minus 13, don't be afraid to minus 13 on the left and on the right. Much as you see a minus here, please just follow the principle, okay? This cancels out to 0. We have 5i divided by 2 is equal to negative 7 minus 13 is negative 20. You can use your number line to remember how to do this. Maybe sometime I'll also do that for you, show you what to do. So please, minus 7 minus 13 is negative 20. Then we remove this fraction from the bottom by timesing by 2 on the left and timesing by 2 on the right. That cancels out. We have 5i is equal to negative 20 times 2 is negative 40. Then we have 5i is equal to negative 40. We divide by 5 and divide by 5. So our I is equal to negative 8. And that is it. Okay, so this negative 7 here shouldn't confuse you. All should be fine. So I will do the last example here. The last example, yes, this space is just enough, which has a bracket, 2 open bracket 3w plus 6 divide by 9 is equal to 4. Okay, so the bracket shouldn't make you think that there's anything complicated here actually, but you just follow your principles. The bracket means that we are multiplying 2 by 3y and also by 6. So at some point we'll do that. Nothing to worry about. But let's first remove this what? Let's first remove the fraction from down. Okay, I will do that. Times by 9, times by 9. Okay, when we times by 9, this cancels out. 4 times 9, we will write it down. So what we are left with on the left-hand side, we just have our 2, open bracket, 3w plus 6 is equal to 4 times 9, which is 36. Then we can choose to open the brackets, or we can choose to divide by 2 on both sides. Actually, that is even easier. Divide by 2, divide by 2. This one cancels out. We have 3w plus 6. 36 divided by 2 is 18. Okay, then we are able to solve this equation actually. If you've been following my videos, then we can say minus 6 on the left, minus 6 on the right. This one cancels out. We have 3w is equal to 18 minus 6 gives us 12. Then we divide by 3. Divide by 3. Our w is equal to what? 4. And we have solved that what? That equation. Yeah, a number of steps. I think 3-4 steps here, okay? But just follow the principles. Whatever you do to the left, do to the right. If so once you do that, it should be fine. So I hope this video is helpful. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any content, because the more you do that, the more I get motivated to put down some content that will be helpful. Okay, thank you and bye.